Hello everyone. So I'll be teaching you the topic coordination chemistry. So basically in coordination chemistry as well, we will be discussing crystal field theory. Crystal field, before coming to crystal field theory, we will be doing something which is very basic in coordination chemistry. What are coordination complexes? So coordination we all know that coordination complexes are basically complexes between metal atom and ligands. Metal atoms are generally transition metals and ligands are called those species which are having lone pair of electrons, which can donate lone pair of electrons, like ammonia, water. These are neutral ligands. Ligands are also divided into some cationic, anionic and neutral ligands. We will be discussing that later on. So basically coordination complexes are complexes made by transition metal atoms and ligands. Ligands donate its electron pair into metal empty d orbitals. Transition metals have empty d orbitals. So ligands donate their electron pair into empty d orbitals of transition metal ions. For example, the most commonly used transition metal ions are 3D which are having 3D empty orbitals. For example, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, then cobalt, nickel, zinc. So in zero oxidation state, scandium is having electronic configuration 4s2 3d1, titanium is 4s2 3d2, and so on. It's 3d3, 3d4, it's d5, manganese is d5, iron is 4s2 d6, 3d6, cobalt is 4s2 3d7, nickel is 3d8, and then it's copper then, and then zinc. Copper is 3d9 and zinc is 3d10. Okay, so these are the most commonly used transition elements which are used in coordination complexes. These are the transition elements which are having 3D empty orbital. Now, one term which I have used earlier is oxidation state. So oxidation state is can be defined as जब हम किसी भी मेटल को हम किसी भी कॉम्प्लेक्स को हम कंसिडर कर लें कि वो कॉम्प्लेक्स आयनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स है, और फिर हम आयनिक कॉम्प्लेक्स हमने उसको कंसिडर कर लिया, उसके बाद हम फाइंड आउट करते हैं कि मेटल पर कितना चार्ज है. वी कैलकुलेट द चार्ज ऑफ मेटल considering the complex to be ionic complex. This is not true. Complex is not ionic, but we consider it for finding out oxidation state. For example, let's suppose we have a coordination complex nickel NH3 6 2 positive. Then and we have to find out the oxidation state of this nickel atom. So how we will calculate nickel atom oxidation state is nickel state oxidation is, we consider it is to be X, and because ammonia is a neutral ligand, ये neutral ligand है, तो इसका चार्ज हो गया 0, तो प्लस 0 इंटू 6 दैट वुड बी इक्वल टू द चार्ज ऑन द कॉम्प्लेक्स, जो पूरे कॉम्प्लेक्स पर चार्ज है उसके इक्वल हो जाएगा, दैट वुड बी +2. सो x वुड बी +2. दैट मीन्स ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ निकल in this complex is +2.